fucked up and get fucked up. Just hold it down and keep it solid. And when you're not around.
Chicago Reacts back with another unwrapping. I got another box in. I don't know what a couple of things, but enjoy life, smell that day. Forget what the hell they got to say. What y'all got going on for this weekend? Today is Friday the 13th. Hey, look, I don't believe in that superstitious stuff, but Friday the 13th, let's be careful, extra careful on what I do outside. You know what I'm saying? Inside as well, but I'm just saying. Comment down below if y'all believe in that Friday the 13th type of stuff. I'm just saying. Got a box. Got another box in. You know what I'm saying? Got another box in. I should got like a total of like 3 more boxes coming. Oh, this ain't nothing. They ripped me off. Ripped me off, didn't they? They ripped me off. I'm about to give them a call. Samsung, I'm about to give you a call because you ripped me off my battery pack. You know what I'm saying? See what that is? It's that fast charging, 45 watts. The one that came on Note 10 was 25 watts. Now my phone should I say about to give it about what 30 minutes for it to charge faster. I mean, fully charged should be fully charged 30 minutes. I'm gonna put on the charger and see. I'm gonna do that in a few minutes, but it's crazy. They charge like $50 for this. No, $59.99 off the Samsung site. I ordered this and I ordered this and I ordered that battery. You know how you the rechargeable packs? Because for the simple fact, you know, let me see. I'm gonna show y'all my what's saying. Y'all see this? Look, this for the I'm on the phone, so I can't put it in right now. But I'm gonna use my Note 9 to show y'all. I'm gonna use my Note 9. Put it like in here. You see it? Put it up and they took the phone jack, and this I can only use this or Bluetooth. Can't use that BS Bluetooth. I tried that before. It didn't sound too good, but this loud. You got a lot of bass in it, like I like it. But the charger, let's see, yeah, 45 watts charging. I ain't never seen that. Y'all ever seen that? 45 watts charger. It's crazy. It's crazy. But it should charge like in 30 minutes. Fully charged in 30 minutes. Probably 20 minutes. Because it's, you know, faster watt. But I order a bank. You know how you got that phone jack bank, you know, rechargeable. This. Stuff got $59.99 on Samsung website. Cause I couldn't find it nowhere else. I went to Walmart. They had the Note 9 chargeable, but it's not the same. And plus, I put the regular Note, the Note 9, you know, the Note 8, Note 9 charger on here. I promise you, it took all year just to charge. This boy heavy too. This boy heavy, fast charger. Let y'all see that. See that? I got a charger for it. I mean the case thing for it. You know what? I ain't getting no more phones. I ain't getting no more phones because over $1,000 now. I'm not. I refuse. And look at this small cord. What am I charge this small cord, man? Like for real, bro. See the small charger, man. Hey, Samsung, y'all seeing this? I know y'all ain't gonna see it, but y'all need to stop playing, man. Give us more cord. This little old cord. What's the cord? Let me see. There you go. And this small charger, boy, it's crazy. I don't know what they expect. But like I said, it should charge. I'm gonna video record it. And I'm gonna have the Note 9 and the Note 10 side by side. And I'm gonna record with my camera. I got a camera, but I don't like to use this junk. I got a camera. I never like really use. I'm using for like one video. I probably got to get another skinny one because that was before I even knew about cameras. I just got this, you know. I know I always pull it out, but I don't ever like use it, you know. I got the rechargeable batteries for it and everything. I don't use it. I just keep it in the case. I act like I'm gonna use it, but never does it. I like it. It's tight. I only use it like I said that one time. I don't even do videos with it. I should start behind, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna do another video. Hey, this block heavy. I ain't gonna even lie to you. This block is heavy. This thing right here is heavy. My other one, it don't even look nothing like this. I guess for the 45 watt one, I don't know. But I'm gonna record it, let y'all see, and that's it. Enjoy your life, smile every day. Forget what the heck I gotta say. What y'all doing this weekend? I just wanna know. Me, I ain't got nothing planned. Probably go kick it somewhere, you know, have a little fun or something. I need a little vacate. I think I'm shoot up to Vegas probably next month or something. It's got too much going on this month. Hey, comment down below. Let me know what y'all want me to do next or see, whatever you want to call it. I'll be all over the place. I'll be doing some everything. I'm supposed to have this channel, Chicago React channel, for like reactions and this and that. I start doing anything. I just start doing reviews on it. Start doing challenges on it. I don't know. I got a prank coming up. That's why I got that little, that's why I got my last video, got the little money cash thing. I got a little prank going. I don't know who I'm pulling it on. I can't pull on my girl because she already sings. So I ain't finna do nothing fake. I ain't finna be doing all that extra fake stuff like other people. I ain't saying no names. It is what it is. That's what it is.
Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner. Everybody ain't no real nigga. If I say I got you, I got you. When it's fucked up and get fucked up, just hold it down and keep it solid. And when you're not around.